Wait a minute. Why is the sky blue?
Why is the grass green?
Guys, you're asking the completely wrong questions here. I think the most important question is, how do we see colour? And can you imagine a world without colour?
Red and yellow.
What exactly is colour though?
All colour is light, and light is a transverse wave. This means the particles move at right angles to the motion of the wave, like these waves.
The sun emits electromagnetic radiation. This includes infrared radiation, UV rays, X-rays, and visible or white light. We can break white light up into 7 different wavelengths, representing the colours of the visible spectrum. These 7 colours each have different wavelengths. They range from red with the longest wavelength and the smallest amount of energy at 700 nanometers, all the way down to violet at 400 nanometers with the most concentrated energy.
Colour does not actually exist in an object. Rather, wavelengths are either absorbed or reflected.
For example, a banana isn't actually yellow. It's every colour but yellow.
What?
Yeah, it reflects yellow wavelengths and absorbs every other wavelength, so the banana is perceived as being yellow.
But what allows us to see these fantastic colours?
The eye is a complex feature of the body. It combines the use of various different structures to allow us to see the amazing colourful world around us. Light is first focused on the cornea and is then reflected as an inverse image onto the retina.
The retina contains millions of light-receptive cells called photoreceptors.
Some photoreceptors are shaped like cones, and others are shaped like rods. Most people only have 3 types of cones: long, medium, and short. The long cones pick up the reds and are activated by long light waves. The medium cones pick up the greens and are activated by medium light waves. The third cone type is small, which is only activated by short light waves, therefore only seeing blue.
Rods are used to see the scale, shape, and brightness of an image.
Rods and cones both contain photopigment molecules that pass information from the retina along the optic nerve to the occipital lobe of the brain.
Tetrachromats have a 4th cone type. This allows them to see an additional huge range of colours with greater sensitivity.
Some people suffer from a condition known as colour blindness. Deuteranopia is green colour blindness.
Protanopia is red colour blindness.
And tritanopia is blue and yellow colour blindness. Do some of these colours look different to their supposedly matching colours?
Yes, this blue does most definitely not look like that blue.
Wow! So these colours are actually the same?
Why is it that they look so different?
There's an optical illusion that the same colour will look different depending on the background.
Can we be completely sure that everyone sees the same thing when they look at something?
Not at all. What colour is an apple? Most of us would say red, but do we all see the same red?
While 2 people look at the same object and have the same wavelengths in their eyes, the cones in our eyes suggest that we see something similar, but that we all see just a tiny
Bit
differently.